that?
Put a banana in there, honey.
What about deck?
What?
Deck. The deck.
Oh. This shirt says deck. Grandfather had a wonderful deck, and we'd sit on it every afternoon and play pinochle.
That's just not right.
What do you have in your hand, licorice?
Huh?
It looks like, oh, that was the headphones. Brayden, what else?
This shirt says bench. I don't know what that means. This sticker says, you can't text message breakup. That means that you can't break up, that means that you can't send a message over the telephone saying you don't want to go out to the dance anymore.
Okay, bye.